Welcome back to Activity 32, Session 2. I've got Karis here with me today.
Hi.
We're going to do what we did yesterday, Karis, but we're going to use some different words. To start with, you're player 1, so you should have 10 tens cards. And I'm player 2, so I need the ones cards that go from 0 to 9. We're just going to stop and check. So you check you've got 10, and I'll check mine are in counting order. Excellent. Now the students are going to do the same thing and set up their tens cards and their ones cards. The next thing we're going to do, Karis, is take turns to fill from the longest up to the shortest one block, and then we'll have a 10 left. So I've placed this one. So you grab the next one. Good, and we'll take turns. The next thing we do, Karis, is you're going to put the tens cards on top of the tens, and I'm going to put the ones card on top of the ones. Now we're ready. We're going to do the same thing as yesterday, but we're going to use a different word. We're going to use the word add that ends with a d sound. I'm going to say 10 add 0 is 10. Make sure I line it up. And then you'll take the next turn and you'll say 10 add 1 is 11. And then I'll say 10 add 2 is 12. Can you keep going?
10 add 3 is 13.
10 add 4 is 14.
10 add 5 is 15.
10 add 6 is 16.
10 add 7 is 17.
10 add 8 is 18.
10 add 9 is 19.
The next thing we're going to do is count. Now, we're thinking about going backwards. So, Karis, can you start at 19? I want you to point where the triangle is as you count, and I'm going to listen for that sound in the teens. Off you go.
19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10.
Well done. Now I'm player 2, so I'm going to count, pointing to the triangle, and you're going to listen for the sound. The students at school can count along with us. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. To make this a little bit trickier, we're going to take turns. Karis, you do the first number, point to the triangle.
19.
I'll do the next one. 18.
17.
16.
15.
14.
13.
12.
11.
10. Now, because you started that time, let's swap, and this time I'll start. 19.
18.
17.
16.
15.
14.
13.
12.
11.
10.
Thanks very much. Now it's your turn.